Hey guys, so I'm gonna kind of try to be simple, but it's my second day doing a workout program, kind of basically weight loss journey, kind of my input. So I have a medical condition called PTLS, which stands for post-tubal ligation syndrome. It's put a devastating on that. So somebody introduced me to the TLCT and the vitamins, which they're both good products. I found something better. Well, I don't know about the tea, but I know about the vitamins. I found another liquid vitamin that's better. It's called Daily Ultimate. So much better. I felt a lot better, and I like the taste better than the other one. But I'll leave the link below if you want to get it. It's pretty affordable. If you buy kind of in bulk, it's like less than $1 a day. So, you know, it works out. But I saw some results, but I wasn't seeing I saw improvement, but I wasn't seeing the results that I want. So, what came to the realization was how I looked in all my video. And I didn't really have videos because it was more of that, but like my pictures and stuff, I wasn't really happy with. Because it was that. So I was like, you know what? I never want to, I want to go more events. Just because of the positivity and all the health reasons. That energy's flowing through me and whatnot. I didn't want to ever look like that again. So it came to I want to be happy with my pictures. I'm glad I got pictures with Ivy and all that, but I want to be happy with how I look in them. Don't want to be overweight. So I weigh about over 230 pounds and I'm 5'4". So it doesn't really look much in the face, but regardless or not. So what did I do? I started this workout program. And I think anybody needs to do this. No matter if you're in shape or not, they need to do something. Why? Because how do I look at it? Because part of my symptoms for my syndrome is that we can't lose weight. We change our eating habits, we do this, we do that, and somehow the weight's still there. So, regardless of what I'm doing, soon I'm going to be doing the weight loss coffee, the Nutri-Trim coffee on top of the vitamins as well. Basically, if I don't end up losing the weight because of my condition, I already see the benefit. I see the benefit because I'm not giving up, no matter how hard. And I'm one of those people, I don't try to be, but I tend to give up when things get hard. I normally tap out. And I will tell you, on both days, I wanted to tap out in the middle of it, but I didn't. Because it was you know what, if I can go through this hard struggle or whatnot, the pain and whatnot, and just take it and say, just lay on a little bit longer, it's beneficial. you get a lot of insight. I think that's the right word. I'm tired, so I'm all sweaty. Kind of all gross, but I don't care. It at least gives me kind of an idea to show you that this is what I've been doing. I'm not faking it. I'm not doing that, but I'm hoping it's better. Like, it gets better. But regardless or not, it's pushing me in growth that no matter if something's hard or whatever, I can always succeed. I always can get it done. So I'm seeing more, like, mentally, I'm seeing myself in a positive outlook. I'm seeing that every time I do it, I'm able to do, like, not, like, more energy, I guess, kind of through it. Because I do it, but because I really don't have energy. I'll tell you that I feel like I'm going to pass out. I know most people say that, but yeah, I feel like I'm going to pass out. But I don't. So I think it's my body just saying, hey, no. But, like, everything's sore. But if you want to have great wealth, you need to have great health. And since I've been doing all this and whatnot, I've been noticing a improvement in my business aspect. Like, I'm getting more followers, more subscribers. I'm getting more messages. I have people flooding my inbox now. I'm seeing more opportunities, of how to do things differently and whatnot. I'm doing it all. So, I'll put both the links below of if you want to do the vitamins or you want to do the Nutri-Trim coffee. If you like these products really well and you want to kind of get some of a discount on these, I'll put my other link if you want to become an affiliate with this company. This is like a portion of our company. We're normally a personal financial success company. It's myEcon, but we have these products, and so they're amazing and whatnot. And there's different ways if you are wanting to become an affiliate with these products. It is basically you buy in bulk, and I mean, we have flea markets here. You just set up a stand and you sell them. You can get like 100% commissions, make it $1 or $2 off, make a little bit more profit. You'll get your money back. Buy the Nutri-Trim comes in like little instant coffee packages. You can buy those and give 2 to people, and if they really want some more, like, you give them as a sample, meaning you don't have money, like, you don't get money for it. They're going to want to probably buy it from you. So it's kind of like a side hustle you can get and say. And I know when you probably have results, because I'll tell you on the Daily Ultimate, I've seen like results. I'm not popping Vicodin all the time like I was before I was taking it. I can't tell you why, but like that's noticing it is I'm not needing it. What else? Daily vitamins and something that we always need. Maybe not the coffee, but we have other coffee as well. But you can become an affiliate. So that you can do that. Also, you could break apart the box and just sell the little packets for like $1 each, and then you'll make a $10 profit. So I mean, there's different ways of doing it. So you have that, and then plus, you're with a company that's offering credit repair, and just that benefits alone is amazing. I use the system personally myself. I've gotten over 100 points credit score. So I got that through using this program. I learning how my money works, how to make my money work, and blah, 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 blah. So, like, anything to make me successful, it's working. So, that's my journey. It's my goal is, like, I wanted to kind of give an outset. This is kind of probably why it's hard for people to lose weight. It's because it's a lot of mental going on, more than physical. So, if you kind of want to clear your mind, feel better, click on the link below with vitamins. If you want to try something that kind of kickstart your weight loss, and it has like green tea extract, the Garcinia camel buds, green tea, green coffee, all those weight loss products without giving you a laxative effect. It's under the link. I'll give you that link of the NutriTrim. And if you want to be affiliate with this company, need any credit repair, the link down below. So click on that link below. Label each what link is. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram if you want to see what I'm doing, because I have my kids there, kind of like the average mother there. Also, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you can get every video notified when every video I upload, or if I decide to go live, which I can. So, thanks and good night.